Hello everyone, and welcome to Raquel Teaches Code. My name is Raquel, and I'm here to help you learn web development and programming step by step. So whether you're a beginner learning HTML, you're an intermediate developer diving into JavaScript, or you're just someone who wants to learn how to build cool things, you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll teach you everything from the basics of coding to advanced techniques, all in a fun and easy to follow way. The best way to learn is by doing. So that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you. I'll be sharing hands-on projects, real-world applications, coding challenges, and all my mistakes to help you sharpen your skills. So if you're ready to level up your coding skills, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Also, drop a comment below and let me know, what coding topics do you want to learn? I can't wait to code with you. Thanks for joining.